All right, here with my boy Drew Jones. Tell us what you got, since I already just said your name.
4 ZV5 15s on 2 Sundown 7500s at quarter.
That's a fucking favor. Tell them boys that that's a fucking favor. Cause I just rolled up in a new Mercedes. I just pulled up in a new Mercedes. KT starter, I was born to drive the 4Runner. Yeah, drive me a train. Watch your boy swoop lane to lane in the cool drive. Excuse me for dropping my time. Drop my top on a Porsche. High school used to play sports. Then I got fat.
What you think about it, man? Woo!
What's up?
Getting on in there?
Very nice, very nice.
I saw that mouth fly open. I thought that was an
yeah.
indicator that it was pretty good.
Oh yeah. I ain't had one guy, man. Like yours yet.
I'll be sure to give him a follow here. I think this is my boy's.
I want one.
Is this yours? Did he give you that? Oh, it was yours?
You dropped that one? Oh yeah.
You really need to let it cool off. You can, man.
No.
You sure?
Yeah.
They say you
Say what, if it's not reliable when it's hot, it ain't
These
reliable.
came in handy when I've been working on the car.
What'd you say?
I said it's a good way not to lose the 10 millimeter. You know, always lose.
You got them 10 millimeters on deck, bro.
That's awesome.
It took me half a day to realize it was a socket. Yeah, that's nice.
All right, here with my boy Drew Jones. Tell us what you got, since I already just said your name.
4 ZV5 15s on 2 Sundown 7500s at quarter.
Order on that.
6 XP 3000 CES alternators.
Awesome. Yeah, he's been demoing the wheels off of it, so he might hit me in the back of the head with a cone or something.
I might.
Ain't like I be asking for attention when I be out so much. You should keep out. Shoot the kind of kiss.
Nice, man. That thing ain't playing around. It sounds so solid.
I know. Yeah, that's what I love it. That's 26 hertz. Right
26.
there.
It sounds super solid. Appreciate the demo, man.
Yeah,
Be
man.
sure to give him a follow. Where's that business card at? You got any floating around?
Man, I think it's down
Somewhere.
right now.
Got a ton
There's
of
one
them
out
there.
here. Yeah. So follow him. He's Bassaholic.
Bassaholic on everything. Bassaholic
Instagram,
Instagram,
Facebook.
Twitter, YouTube.
All that good stuff.
Bassaholic Productions.
All right, appreciate it, man. Thanks for the demo right there. Bam. This beard gang strong too. Look at it.
That's right. Appreciate it, man.
Yeah.
All right.
They're gonna start putting the money in as soon as he starts playing. Second annual XS Power Show. This is what we do this. Our money goes out the window. I'm believing it right here.
How much did you grab, man?
I don't know.
I think you did pretty good.
Hey, JP, was that a live video?
Yeah, I think
You gotta get something else for it.
I think you did pretty good.
Hey, can I see your hat?
Hey everybody, while you're down here,
With the money.
if you don't know, Scotty Johnson's right here in the blue shirt, Mr. XS Power himself. Be sure to tell him thank you for this spin. 2 years in a row.
It's too loud. It won't float anything.
There we go. All right, he got all the money now. Get out the truck.
I can't get out the truck. Ain't no door handle.
What? Oh, he got you, bro. Oh, look at the gas down here, boy.
All right, Scotty, would you like
Oh, man, we got money in the 4 pounds, everything.
Yeah. All right, y'all, hold on, Scotty. We'll say a few words real quick. I'll catch him while he's down here. I do the same thing. That's a show coming up in August, too. I like to embarrass the shop on them.
Don't tell anybody.
I just want to say thank you guys for coming out. We really appreciate it. It turned out to be nice weather. Good day for a car show. It was a little hot, but that's it. Just thanks for coming. We're going to do it again next year, so be ready.
With all 10s. Tell them, we're going to do it all 10s.
All right, y'all. Back to doing demos. Make a side. Doing demos. Modified class. Joe Fleener, Shannon Boom. Let's get ready.